So it's Columbus Day, and I was just sitting here. Usually I put a chair right here in the morning and I will sit and play with them, and they flew out and they're just walking around. They're just walking around. So they're supposed to be getting their pellets today. So I can't wait for it to reach to see. They're going back in to see if they would eat it, because they're very picky eaters. Very picky. I'm just sitting with them. Every morning, Princess will perch on this perch right here, and she'll climb up here, because I usually have millets up here every morning for their treat, and just to get her to climb up and exercise, I put millet there because she's expecting it to be there. So this morning it wasn't there. She went up there and it was empty. She came back down, so I went ahead and put it up there. I hope she makes another attempt. And this is the bird trainer right here. These are his birds. He loved them. Show them how you train your bird.
Okay.
He's 9 years old. He's obsessed with these budgies.
Step up. Step up. Step one.
Oh, we didn't get to see.
And he gets it.
He stepped up. Okay, so put him on the, and what you usually do. Remember what you usually do? Oh, you put him on top this time? I thought you was gonna put him on the ladder like you usually do, and let him climb up.
Yeah. Alright, step up.
I think he got the millet too easy. You made him. He didn't work for it, and poor Princess has to work for it. He flew down. He flew down. Okay.
Step up. Perch. Perch.
Okay. So they're eating their millets, and this is one of their regular routine for the morning. I'm gonna make them some soft food right now, which is eggs and corn. Tried on them for the first time this morning and see how they like it. Be back. Making chops for the budgies, so I did sweet potato, the quinoa, carrots. Let me show you more stuff. Broccoli, green beans, baby spinach, almonds. I just bought all of these at the store and made it. And the corn, I wonder if I should put the corn, because I was trying another recipe tomorrow. Oh, we got the flaxseed oil. The flaxseed. I'm wondering if I should use the corn, because my budgies, they're on top. Because I was gonna do a soft recipe with the corn and the eggs tomorrow, and then I'm gonna dish out the chop tonight and put it in container, put it in the freezer. Yeah, so we'll see. So I'm actually done with the chop, and this is what it looks like. We got spinach, quinoa, carrot, bell pepper, almond, green beans, broccoli, flaxseed. Yeah. So I'm gonna dish it out in containers, and let me show you guys what I bought. So here's, guys, I'm back. So I bought this container. So I'm just gonna put this container and put it in the fridge, and that's it. I'll let you guys know. I'll try to clip if they're eating it, let you guys see if they're actually eating it. This is what it actually looks like after I share it out into the container. I have another one of this. I'm just gonna go ahead and share up the other one. Yeah. The chop, I put the chops in the bowl. They pick at it, and then they flew up. So let's see. Let's see if they're gonna eat it. Okay. So Cosmo came back down. I also put a little bit of their seeds in it as well, as far as the I put a little bit of pellets in there as well. Let's see. So it looks like I'm just waiting to see when they're done to look at the bowl to see if they actually ate some of the salad out, or if they only pick on the seeds. So let's see. And I forgot a little bit of millet, not a lot.
Nah, what is that, bro? Is that on budgies, bro?
Okay. So this is 5 minutes later, and they're still eating. They're still eating. I just can't wait for them to move to see what they ate. Be right back, guys. So Princess left, and she came right back, and Cosmo is over there playing toys in the corner. So Princess is back. So let's see. Okay, she's gone. I'll come back and video if she comes back.